Yeah, hello, good afternoon, everyone. I want to welcome you to our demo of RentPro. We quickly take you through the functionalities of RentPro. So, if you want to see the trial, you can create a free account by clicking on the sign up button. If you already have an account, you can click on the login button so that you can see the functionalities and run a trial on the system. So I will log with demo account now so that I can show you the functionalities of the software. I'm logging. So this is the RentPro dashboard. The dashboard show you the overview at a glance of what the system contain and what your portfolio is all about. As you can see, you have your properties, you have your units, you have your tenants, you have your landlord, you have your vacant unit, occupied unit, active rent, expired rent, unpaid invoice, and maintenance services. So you can see the pie chart that is showing you the analysis of your apartment's rent and invoices, and you can see your income history by the right hand side. So scrolling down, you can see the manage overview. Manage overview show you the properties that you are running and units that are there. You are going to see the vacant units, you are going to see the expired units and the rest on the manage overview. So that is a good one for system. So now, after having seen the dashboard, you might want to see the account settings. The account settings is where you will be able to set up uh, your account by inputting your account informations, company details like the name, contact address, phone number, account name, and you'll be able to upload your company logo and signature into the system under the account settings. Also on the account settings, you can manage your users. If you want to set up a new user for the system so that they can have access to the system, there are different category of users that you can set up on the system. Like we have the account officer, accountant, administrator, branch manager, and MBCU. This can be customized if you are on enterprise fashion. You can customize so that you can be able to manage the number of users that you can use on the system. So on manage bank, you can add all your banks there so that you will be able to collect money, and the bank will show on your invoice as you are sending it out to your customers or tenants. As you can see, you can add all your banks from here. Also, you can manage services. Manage services is useful for maintenance services. As for example, if you want to bill a patient, a particular service carried out, you'll be able to bill the patient, you'll be able to bill the customer based on the services that you have here. As you can see, we have property maintenance, property management, facility management, valuation, consultancy, and others. So this one will give you all the services that you'll be carrying out, so you can add more services as you might like to do. So after the account settings, we have the landlord. The landlord is where you'll be able to create your landlord account and manage your landlord account as well. So we have a simple form here that you can use to create your landlord account. Let me quickly show you that. This is landlord account form. You can set up your landlord from there, and you can also manage your landlord details from here. So under the details, you can see the landlord detail, next of kin, attachment, properties, and landlord statement. You can see all that on the system. After the landlord, we have properties. The properties is where you'll be able to manage your properties, and units on the system. As you can see, there's some property here already, so you can add new property from here, and adding new properties, you'll be able to add units as well at the same time. So this is a form for adding property. It's a very simple form that you can easily use and enroll your properties. Also, you can add units. After adding properties, you can add units to the system. Under the added units, you'll be able to add the unit apartment within the property and specify the annual rent cost, so that at point of billing, the amount will be used for anybody that wants to bill the rent for a particular tenant at a particular time. So this is where you will add property units to the system. Having said that, I will quickly show you the tenants. The tenant dashboard. Tenant dashboard allows you to see all the tenants. As you can see here, all your tenants are here. Under each tenant, you can see the apartment the tenant is occupying under it, like that. And you can create a new tenant using the tenant form. This is tenant form. It's a very simple form. And you can also manage the tenant detail by clicking on the tenant name from here, as you can see. So this is tenant detail, where you can update employment, guarantor, attachment, rent, invoice and statement, and payments, all in one page. So you can see all those ones in one page for the tenants. So I'm going to end this section now. We'll continue on in another part of this demo. Thank you very much for listening to us.